As parents, you play a vital role in helping your children stay active every day. And it is important to encourage your child to be physically active. Luckily, there are many fun and easy ways to get kids moving. Children learn by watching their parents. If they see you enjoying physical activity, they will want to do it too. You don't need to do hard workouts. Simple things like walking or dancing at home can show your child that being active is good. If you smile and have fun, they will likely join in. Make it a family thing, go for walks, ride bikes, or play ball together. Kids love to have fun, so make exercise feel like play. Play music and dance around the living room. Let them try different things like jumping rope, playing catch, or climbing at the park. The more fun it is, the more they will want to keep doing it. Remember, if it feels like a game, they won't even notice they are exercising. Too much time in front of screens means less time for physical activity. Try to set daily limits on TV, tablets, and video games. You can say something like, "Let's play outside for 30 minutes before screen time." Replace screen time with outdoor time, crafts, or fun movement games. Set clear rules and stick to them. Fresh air and outdoor space are great for children. Take them to the park, let them play in the yard, or go for nature walks. Climbing trees, playing tag, and riding bikes are all great ways to stay active. Even playing with a ball or flying a kite can make a big difference. Let them explore safely and enjoy nature. Outdoor play not only helps their body, but also improves their mood and creativity. Organized activities can be great for kids. Sign them up for a sport or dance class they are interested in, like soccer, swimming, basketball, or ballet. These classes teach kids new skills, teamwork, and discipline. Let them try different options until they find something they love. Praise their efforts and cheer them on, no matter what. When physical activity becomes part of daily life, kids don't think twice about it. Try to build movement into their regular routine. Walk to school if possible. Do stretches after waking up. Play outside after homework. Even short activities like jumping jacks or a quick dance before dinner help. Set a time each day for some kind of movement. When it becomes a habit, staying active gets easier and more natural for them. Helping your child stay physically active is one of the best gifts you can give them. It doesn't need to be perfect or serious. Start small, keep it light, and enjoy the journey together. With your support, they will grow up strong, healthy, and full of energy.